We don't need no education.
Welcome to Gotham Music Schools. We're going to be doing a Rockschool debut electric guitar piece today. This is another Brick in the Wall part 2, and this is awesome. So we are going to have some close-ups of what I'm playing to make it nice and easy for you to learn. We're going to break down the different parts, so we're going to go through everything you need. We're even going to talk about which pickups you should use on your guitar, where the switch should be, amp settings, everything you need. This is going to be awesome. So first, let's check out the song.
Another brick in the wall. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't need no